Hello guys. Toma, 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 toma. Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back to another trading session today. And yeah, so we are in a minute, we're green lighted to trade. We're just gonna wait a little bit here. We could be playing some geogas here before the start of the session. So looking at the daily, yesterday was kind of run up and a run down. If you guys can see, it was just like a wick. Yeah, so hopefully today we'll have some good price action. Most of the times when the daily looks like this, when we pretty much start the day in the middle of the range of this like little range right here, it ain't a good sign, to be honest, because we could just range here a little bit. And another thing which I don't like is that we opened the New York session near VWAP, so that's not a good sign. But yeah, hopefully, and yesterday was, I mean, we didn't do like that much of a profit, but it was kind of some profit. Hopefully today we can do better. And about the news, we do have crude oil inventories at 430. We do have a Fed that is peaking at 4, but it shouldn't affect too much our trading except for crude oil inventories. So we're not gonna be trading at 430. Yeah, apart from that, I think we're pretty chill. We're just gonna wait for the price to move far from this, like to break from this range that is kind of being created here around VWAP. So yeah, we're just gonna play some geogas here. And we're gonna pump ourselves with some nice music.
Only for hot gal in the place. Them want to wind them ways. Tell them forward in a haze. But the bang bang embrace, yeah.
Early morning love, she get it good from she rise. But put it on so good I make she shake all she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she pleased with this eyes. Coming around to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there.
Wine for your good make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chatter, you can keep up with me energy. What a epic night of it, embedded in your memory. Little bubble up, it treat it like a felony.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than
This like for sure is
I can do this every morning, every evening. Have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
this is like 1,000% like Indonesia or somewhere around there, like for sure. You know, there's a lot of palm trees. Um, yeah, just I think we might be like in Indonesia or somewhere like that.
Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. My time to
What the fuck, dude?
nobody can stop me.
Yeah, so it was not Indonesia for sure. Yeah, South America. This looks like it could be everywhere. Yeah, I don't know this. I'll just go for it. I don't know. Sometimes I play some music that kind of, gives you some power. I don't know, some funk or I don't know, pop music before my session, and then during the session I'll just have some lo-fi music to contain my emotions. Because if I trade with this music, which I'm playing right now, this music really just pumps up your emotions, and that's not good for your trading. Yeah, so this is either like South Korea or I don't know, somewhere around there. Yeah, so we actually broke that level. Damn, no, I'd say we could actually just we fucking do that. I'd say we can actually start trading because we actually broke that range that I was talking about earlier. So yeah, so we actually broke this level to the downside. So we could have some, let's say, some particular zones that we could potentially have. For example, this zone right here might be kind of interesting. I'll just go see my live stream how that's doing. Just to make sure that everything's all right. Let's see. Just to make sure that everything's all right. Yeah, I mean everything looks alright. So as I said, we broke this level. It's 53, so we have 7 minutes until top of the hour, and we're not gonna trade then. So, but we do have some, you know, we might have some potential here. Maybe I retest into this zone. We have volume here, view up, a bunch of wicks, and then maybe move back down would be great. And let's see how this goes. I might be open to taking a trade here, but it needs to be like a 10 out of 10 trade because it's early in the session and I don't want to burn my emotional capital this early in the session, so it has to be like a trade. Okay, so we might be able to get something here. Yeah, maybe not today. I was thinking about something like this for a possible trade, or something like this. Like here in this range that we draw earlier. So that would have been a possible entry. Let's check the volumes here on the footprint. Yeah, so I just posted a new short literally like 20 minutes ago. I was there, dude. I would like edited for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, because I also had some problems with yesterday's live. So I finished that and I posted it. So it was, I posted it today, but it was actually yesterday's live trading. So yeah, hopefully today. I don't know if I'll post another one today or I'll just wait for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna, I think I'll edit this live that we're gonna do today and post either today or tomorrow the short. So it's 4 minutes until top of the hour.
Esse é o Atlas, é o brabo da putaria.
Tá gostosa, só que é sosa, sosa, senta bola. Tá gostosa, só que é sosa, sosa, senta bola. Tá gostosa, só que é sosa, sosa, senta bola. Tá gostosa, só que é sosa, sosa, senta bola. Tá gostosa, só que é sosa, sosa, senta bola.
Esse é o Mozi, é o brabo da
Tá
putaria.
gostosa, só que é sosa, só que é sosa, sosa, senta bola.
Yeah, so we're not having like some good opportunities here, but I mean,
Esse é o Atlas, é o brabo da putaria. Esse é o Mozi, é o brabo da putaria.
Clima perfeito, noite enluarada. Fara afiados, caçador vai a caça. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Bailão, não, não, bailão, 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 bailão, não, não,
Yes, sir. We're not having you know, opportunities here. We'll just wait for the top of the hour to pass. So we'll wait like a couple minutes for the volumes to cool off, and then we'll start taking some trades. In taxi
Primo bacio, primo trip, caramelle nel suo drink, orologi d'oro, come i Sinti, alle piaccio toxic come Britney. After insieme a Belen, festival techno non facevo rap, prendevo paste nel club, sto sudando come quando
piove, ma se mi guardi con occhi grandi ritorna il sole e voglio darti 200 baci al rallentatore, però che peccato se dici di no. Anche se tutto va a pezzi ti porto con me.
in taxi sulla luna, lei fuma tutta nuda, sì.
E poi alta marea, ma non ci fa paura.
In taxi sulla luna, Martino
So yeah, we are at top of the hour.
La porto a casa, le faccio la festa, mezzo dolce, mezzo gangsta, ore di fila, che bella vita, fa waka waka come Shakira, è piccolina, ma un culo giga, è brava a letto e pure a FIFA.
Piove, ma se mi guardi con occhi grandi.
E so che sto bene sul trap.
Yeah, so I just set up some chill music to trade, and yeah. So as I said, we are top of the hour. That means that we do have some volume that is being put in like right now, and we're just gonna wait a little bit for that volume to go away. And yeah, apart from that, so yeah, we'll wait a couple minutes. Yeah, so we are kind of arranging here. Yeah, like, I mean, we're not ranging. This is like a nice move to the downside, but like right now we're ranging. I'll just wait for this range to, you know, break out. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yesterday I didn't sleep at all, and this morning I slept like 10 or 12 hours. It was crazy, dude. I went to sleep at like 11:30, and I woke up at like 12 a.m. if you can say that. Yeah, so That was crazy, dude. But I really needed some rest, so. But like, you know what I really no, I mean what I kind of what was like kind of crazy to me is that yesterday I mean I didn't sleep, but I did. I mean I rested yesterday for like an hour, and that was my sleep. But I mean I didn't sleep. It was just kind of resting there. And I finished resting at like 5:30 in the morning. And after that, I just went and went for a swim. So we might have an opportunity here, to be honest. Yeah, so I just went for a swim, and I did like so much things. Then I came home and it was like 10 in the morning. So I did like so many things, waking at 5:30. So like I imagine how waking up really gives you so many more hours to do things, to you know that was really crazy to see how you know like yesterday would seem like I lived like 2 days, but it was actually one day for like so I did like so many things that it seemed like it were 2 days. So that was kind of crazy. Yeah, so buyers and sellers are kind of having a fight right now because buyers want to push out and like to the upside, and sellers want to dump this shit. So they're kind of having a fight here, but I mean, let's see who wins. For me, personally, I want for the buyers to win, so we can go and catch some volume around these levels. So for me, that would be better. But we do have point of control down here. It could be kind of tempting to see if I can catch some sells at point of control. But we just did like this little move to the upside, and I wanted it to go to point of control. That would have been kind of a nice sell. Yeah, so we're seeing the sellers being more aggressive than the buyers, that's for sure. And I think we could be breaking these lows. Okay, so we just broke the lows. Let's see if this will be so we're having so much volume put in right now. If you can see when the price just does something like this, it's because there is so much volume being put in. And usually when that happens, I tend to take off my trades because it's not that good when that happens, to be honest. Yeah, so we kind of hit the third, like the second standard deviation here, we kind of bounced off of it. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, so like a sell around this level might be interesting, but I'm seeing this price like you guys maybe can't see it really, and we have also moved point of control. Yeah, so like a sell around this area might be interesting, but as I told you, the price was moving kind of rather fast, so I'm not interested, but. I mean, like a sell right here might really be a nice trade, but I'm seeing so much volume that I think we might just push. We might just push more. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what is gonna happen. I feel like there's so much volume to the upside that like here we said that might have been a level that I was interested in for sales. There's so much volume that I don't know if I'm really interested or not. But I would be interested in buys, that's for sure. Maybe something like this might be kind of not bad. Yeah, so we might enter in this trade. Yeah, so we're in this trade. Yeah, I'm basically, oh, fuck, dude. Fuck you, man. That's crazy. Yeah, yeah, so this was my fault. Let's see if we would have been break even or we would have had a winner. Yeah, so it would have been a break even anyway. If you guys don't know what happened here, I entered into a long at this level, looking for the price to go up. It went up like 2 points. I put my stop at break even, and then I just got stopped out. The price moved back up and then moved back down. So even if I didn't, if I didn't put break even, now I would have been completely failed because this would have hit my target. So it's really important to know like when to put your stop at break even and when not to, because in this trade particularly, it would have been such a nice trade, but I've seen that, you know what I've seen with my trading, that in the long term, like in this position right here, this would have been a 10 pointer, a really nice trade. But at the same time, I've seen that in the long term, having like putting your stop at break even, let's say as soon as you have the opportunity to do so, it really like saves you so many times. And I tend to do it, but I think that's pretty much the only thing that kind of bothers me, that I don't really know when to do it and when not to. Like for example, here this was a nice trade. Um, and if you guys are kind of if you guys want to know why this was a good trade, I'll just you know explain to you better. I didn't explain like the full like history about this trade, but if you guys want that, I'm just gonna talk. But since there's nobody that if someone is interested in knowing why I did take this trade, just ask me that. Yeah, so the only thing that really bothers about my trading is that sometimes I'm not really like good about when uh putting like break evens. So I do have the rule that it needs to go to 5 points for me to put break even. But sometimes I don't really follow that rule. It really just depends on how risky is the trade. If the trade is like riskier than normal, I'll take that trade. But if I have the opportunity to go a break even, I'll do it. Yeah, so we'll just have to wait it out. This was a let's do the trade rating. For me, this was a 8 out of 10 trade. If I would have gotten the 10 points, which we got, but we were stop break even. Just for that, I'm gonna give it a 7.5. Just because the execution wasn't as good as it was supposed to be, but like I think it deserves like a 7.5, to be honest. I might be interested in some buys at this level. Let's see if we can get some. Like a buy right here would have been really nice. But like I also placed the trade. Yeah, so I didn't think I would have been filled. Or I'm not sure if I would, but yeah, that would have been a nice trade too. So I'm 2 for 2 for now. I just didn't take it because the buyers looked really strong. The sellers, I said. Why haven't I got my volume profile? Okay. Yeah, so live wise, it's yeah, we had like 4 views initially, and then it just stopped. Um, yeah, I mean it's better than yesterday, but it could be so much better. The only thing that I should do is that I should start making like videos, because I now only post shorts and I do lives, but I might like be able to do like one video a week. But the thing is that I really don't know what type of video I could do. You know, I could do it about my strategy, but yeah, I'm not really sure, but I think I'll, you know, I'll just have to think about it and, you know, start thinking about something to do. But yeah, like I'm also posting right now the trade recap from yesterday, the short. I did post it on YouTube. I didn't do it on Instagram. Oh shit, we might have some good. So yeah. Yeah, so we're kind of ranging a little bit. No, that doesn't look that good. No, that doesn't look that good. Yeah, so I posted it also on Instagram. The volume for buyers, it's looking pretty good. It is looking pretty good. Of course, we could have the VWAP retest here, but looking at the buyers, I won't take that. But I mean, it could be an option, but I won't do it. Yeah, so I mean that was a nice trade. That would have been a nice trade, but I don't know why, but we're still like at, you know, kind of all-time highs. So I'm not like really um open-minded to sells. But like for example, this retest that I literally just talked about was, it would have been nice to, let's say that it would have been nice. This retest here would have been nice. Let's see if we'll get some other opportunities here. Sellers, yeah, buyers are kind of looking good. Um, I really don't know, because this is kind of a strange range, because we're kind of ranging in this kind of range right now, and it's not like the most comfortable, you know, range to play. Okay, so we could have a trade. Yeah, so this would have been a possible trade of ours, but like a retesting the, I mean, I don't know why. I'll leave this on. We might get it. It doesn't look like an exceptional trade, but yeah, so we didn't get it. We didn't get in. Yeah, so we're in and I'm break even. Yeah, I'm stopped out break even. So if you guys don't know what happened here, this was a nice wick. We just tapped VWAP, but it wasn't like nice. Like, you know, usually when you tap VWAP, you do get a nice move to the downside. For example here, but we didn't get that. So in these times, usually we just run up and pop out VWAP. So that's what I was looking for. I just placed a limit order here at 50% retrace of this wick. And like a buy here. I didn't get filled at first, then I got filled. I was like 2 points up in the money, and I put my stop at break even, and I got stopped out break even for the second time today. We had the same thing happen. Same thing happened here. This was a trade that went in to take profit. We were kind of unlucky here, and here it happened the same thing, but we had more. It was more of a risky. It was more of a risky trade, to be honest. Let's see what will happen now. Yeah, so I just posted the reel on the wrong Instagram account. And yeah, so that was not something enjoyable, to be honest, but Yeah, so we're having some fight between buyers and sellers. Um, like a pop through VWAP and then a retest might look really nice. So let's say that we pop through it and we go like around these levels, and then we come back and retest the VWAP. That would look really nice. No way! C'è Cobra, c'è Baby, cazzo. Ma bro, ma è crazy che... come cazzo hai trovato quell'account là, bro? Cobra gay. Ma bro, guarda che... Cazzo, io ho postato il reel nell'account sbagliato. Bro, ho postato il reel nell'account sbagliato e poi... Boh, poi l'ho tolto però. Boh, raga, ma non so, che cazzo fate? Cioè, andatevene. Crazy Cobra sono belli. Bravo, bro. Ma sapete come vi posso tipo bannare da YouTube, cazzo? Perché bro, cazzo, se mi inizia a rompere i coglioni ogni live non ci sta, cioè. Boh, vabbè, vaffanculo, va. Boh, non ho... Sicuramente non ho voglia di fare live. Ah. Boh, vabbè, non so che cazzo fare, dai, porca puttana. So guys, I think I'll just end the stream right now. So I kind of fucked up. I posted the reel on the wrong Instagram account, and yeah, so I think that I'll just end stream and then I'll continue trading. Yeah, I'll just post. I think I'll just post the P&L on Instagram. You know, it was kind of a short live. I didn't I kind of had some retarded friends. Uh, so a friend saw that I was doing live, and obviously I'm not, I really wasn't looking for my friends to, watch the lives I do. I don't know why, but it just doesn't seem like, you know. Yeah, so then one friend of mine just told like three other friends, and then, you know, but yeah, I don't really like them breaking, my balls here. Yeah, no, amazing, bro. Sì, però, raga, cioè, bevi l'acqua è proprio un ritardato, cazzo. Non ci sta, bro. Boh, raga, non so, ci viene un altro giorno, dai. Però, cazzo, non so, bevi l'acqua? No, non so chi ha visto il mio account, però. Raga, a me va bene che mi guardate le live, però basta che dopo non mi rompete il cazzo nella chat, va bene? Perché sennò non riesco più a lavorare nel modo giusto, quindi, vabbè. Boh, non so. Vabbè, arrivederci. Sì, però, cazzo. Sei proprio mamma mia, raga.